Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe of crispy potato fry. So let's begin. Here I have taken 3 medium-sized potatoes. Wash it well. Once the potatoes are clean enough, you can cut them into half. Each half portion you can cut into 3 to 4 slices. So slice all the potatoes like this, they are not very thin. So all the potatoes are ready. Now we need to boil this until they become half cooked. Here I have a saucepan. I am going to take enough water for boiling this one. Dropping all the potatoes into the saucepan. Boil this until they become half done. So the potatoes started to boil. I checked with a fork and they became slightly tender. Now we need to drain this water completely. Let it cool for a while. Meanwhile, we can prepare batter for deep frying these potatoes. Here I am taking 4 tablespoons of corn flour. Two and a half teaspoons of paprika, which is very less spicy in flavor and at the same time it gives a very beautiful red color. To give some extra flavor for this fries, I am using some pizza seasoning, oregano. 1 and a half teaspoon of oregano. 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Tablespoon of lemon juice for some extra tangy flavor. Salt as per taste. Mix this well and prepare the batter by adding water little by little. So here batter is ready. Now we need to dip all the half cooked potatoes one by one into the batter and deep fry this until they become crispy and golden in color. So here crispy potatoes are ready. If you want a thick coating for these potatoes, you can make the batter thick. Otherwise, you can thin it down. So our crispy, spicy and tangy flavored potatoes are ready. Serve it hot with some tomato ketchup. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, bye bye.